time. These are some mini notebooks made from one sheet of paper, and they're practically no glue. Well, they're no glue if you made this one or this one, and a tiny bit of glue if you make these ones, but I think no glue is a pretty accurate description. I thought square would look really nice because that kind of gives it more that emoji shape, and I hope that you really like these too. Now, what I thought was really fun is you could make lots of different ones depending on what mood. If you're angry, make an angry one and write in it about your angry thoughts. If you're happy, write your happy thoughts. If you're feeling cheeky, write your cheeky thoughts. If you're feeling confused or surprised, write your confused or surprised thoughts. So you can make these emoji bookmarks depending on your mood and what you need to do that make them for. Or of course, so something like this one would be really nice for Valentine's Day as well, depending on when you're watching this, of course. So remember, you have to watch the video and don't fast forward, because I've had a few of you say that you've wasted paper, not getting it quite right. Do follow the steps exactly, and maybe practice with scrap paper first. That's actually what I do before I make these videos for you. So maybe get some scrap paper out, have a go and see what you can do. So come on, let's take a look and see how to make these square emoji notebooks. So to make our emoji bookmarks, all you need is a square piece of yellow paper, some scissors and a black pen. Now I'm going to talk about the pen at the end again, but for now that's all you need. Square piece of paper. I've cut down an A4 sheet of paper to make it into square, and now we're going to start folding. So the first thing you need to do is bring the bottom up to the top. Do them as neat as you possibly can. Give it a good crease. Use your nail for that. Fold it over again. And then a good crease and use your nail. Open it all up and now repeat in that direction. So you bring this one over this side, bring it as neatly as you can, use your nail and repeat. Like this. Now you can open it. You don't have to open it all the way. You can just open it one lot, and you need to cut the 3 central lines up to that center point. So 1, 2, 3. Open it up, cut along the middle. And again, and there we go. And now you fold these in or out, depending on how you see it. Hold, fold, flip. This is really important. Flip the paper, fold this up, fold this down, fold it again. Now, if you need to, pause the video or rewind at any point. Now, the last step you need to do is push these apart like this, fold it over, and you have your square mini book that needs no glue. Let's just count the pages. It should be 8 or 16 if you count both sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Now, some of you have said, but my sides, like this one, has some extra pages in the middle, or where is it? This one maybe, or even this one. Now, that's just the way these books works. If you want to have these all free, not sticking together at all, then you can't do a no-sew craft, okay? No glue craft. So this is how you do the no glue. Now we decorate it in the style of an emoji, and I'm going to do the surprised phase. So basically a cross, another cross, a big round mouth, and some eyebrows. There we go. My emoji book, no glue, no anything, is finished. Now, I have done some more, as you know, you saw them at the beginning. This is also no glue because you've just had to draw the face on. However, these are a tiny bit of glue because I've added details with glue. Don't worry about it. You can use pens if you want. I think it just looks better if you glue on the, you know, you get the contrasting colours and stuff better. You could of course just use pens, it's not a problem. So really it's up to you. You can make them no glue by using the simpler emojis. If you want to add some colours and a bit of variety, then you do have to add a tiny bit of glue for your decorations, and that's it. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make your square emoji mini books with no glue, depending on these or those. Anyway, hope you liked it. Do come back and subscribe, like, comment, add it to your playlist. Make some, I'd love to see them. And of course, see you here again soon. Bye!